Hey, what's up you guys? Alinda's back at it again for another video. If this is my channel, welcome, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm putting on a wig for the first time ever in my life. I'm putting on a wig for the first time, and all I can say is it was fun. I'm glad I did it. I'm not gonna pay anyone else to do this again. I did have a little bit of mishaps and it does not look the best, but I mean, practice makes progress. So I'm going to continue to do it on my own and stuff like that. If you guys want to know my process and how I did it, make sure you keep on watching. Make sure you guys follow me on my social media so you can interact with me whenever I'm not uploading on YouTube. And also make sure you guys like this video, comment, share, subscribe. If you like these type of videos, then let me know, because I'm gonna try to do more of them. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Let me do an update. So far, I've already glued this on, and I put on some foundation. This Dewy and Smooth Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's 360 Mocha, which matched perfectly with my skin color. I just had to send around because I used to try to play in makeup, which I'm going to start back doing. But yeah, so pretty much it's doing pretty good. I didn't struggle at all that much. So let me talk about my wig. So this wig, I got it put on back at school. Someone put it on for me and they did like a perfect job. Insert pictures here, videos here. She did a perfect job, but for some reason my head was hurting so bad. Like I had headaches for days, and I was like, maybe it's just because, you know, when you get a fresh sew-in, fresh braids, it's gonna hurt. But no, it was hurting for so long. So I took it out literally after 1 week. It wasn't even in for a week, probably like 6 days, 5 days. So then I was like, I'm gonna keep the wig, of course, like, you know, just in case I want to try to do it again or get her to put it back on. But I just figured I might put it on by myself. So the thing about it is, this wig is already, baby hair is already on. It's already bleached and the lace is already cut. So literally it's all done for me. So I'm happy for it to already be done for me, being that this is my first time putting on a wig. So yeah, let's get into the video. I'm talking too much. But yeah, so this is my 22 inch wig from my Kendra's Boutique. And yeah, so if this goes perfectly, I'm gonna start just putting on wigs by myself and just start filming videos doing that. So if you like this video, make sure you like it, comment if you want to see more videos like this, because I'm actually loving the outcome so far. I'm not gonna speak too soon because it does look like a struggle, but I'm doing pretty good on my own. Only thing is, I don't think I was supposed to cut this because like my sideburns are still right here. Don't think I was supposed to cut that, but I mean, I should be cool. It should all be cool. So we're about to just put it on and see how things go. Okay, y'all, so I'm pretty much done. Like, I'm super excited for the come out. Like, what is this? Like, who is she? Let me get y'all a close-up look. But don't get me wrong, I still gotta practice the whole cutting the lace, bleaching the knots, and plucking it. But I mean, the install, I got it on point. So I'm super duper proud of myself, y'all. Let me know how you guys think that I did. Like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, follow me on all my social media so you can interact with me whenever I'm not uploading on YouTube. And let me know if you like these types of videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.